We're right now in Da Nang, last day of our Vietnam tour. So this is the Dragon Bridge, the famous Dragon Bridge. The other night we had fire show, fire breathing dragon show here. This is, ito yung Han River din may, no? So isa na siya. So what is nice about this place dito, no, is ito yung love bridge din pala, may isa na siya here, no? And this is another angle, no, you know, Da Nang, Vietnam. Kaya pala they're marketing Da Nang, no? It's a very touristy na site, destination here in. They have a souvenir shop here, no? Then let's go here. Oh, may boat, may boating din pala dito. This is the marina side nila. Nice, huh? Yan pa rin yung side, no? This is the Love Bridge. Ano yung mga magkasintahan. Ano, lagay ng mga famous din yung mga padlocks niya. This is Marina area, very nice. Ito na yung dulo ng Marina area. This is Han, the Han River. And this side is a best view, no? Ang ganda ng angle, no, ng Dragon Bridge, no? From there, yung tail niya doon pa sa dulo. There are direct flights na, no, from Manila to Da Nang. You don't need to go to Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh or Saigon. Direct flight na. And there are a lot of destinations here. Very affordable also, no? Very friendly people. This is Han River. We can do this also in Manila, no? Yung Pasig River natin. Very nice.